Aligned with the national vision of Viksit Bharat, the Indian Army has envisioned a three-phase schema. Phase 1, that is HOP 2032, a comprehensive framework under the decade of transformation or accelerated transition. Phase 2, that is STEP till 2037, a 5-year period of consolidated gains from Phase 1. And of course the Phase 3, that is a jump, 2047, when we graduate to the next level of integrated future-ready force design. Now this trajectory has further been strengthened when Honorable Raksha Mantri designated year 2025 as the year of reforms and proved its merit in Op Sindoor, where years of reform and readiness translated into decisive outcomes. So, as we carry this sovereign strategic success forward for future operations and the larger aspirations of Sashakt, Surakshit and Viksit Bharat, the real question before us is, what must propel our next leap? It is in that spirit that I will outline a set of springboards that will drive the Indian Army's transformation in the years ahead. The first springboard is Atmanirbharta Swadeshikaran se Sashktikaran, that is self-reliance, empowerment through indigenization. It remains our first springboard. Its results are visible in defense manufacturing, space achievements, and rapid military technology absorption. Yet, much more remains to be done as we deepen our self-reliant capability base. Second is Anusandhan or Twarit Anusandhan, that is accelerated innovations. While initiatives like IDEX and Aditi are accelerating the idea to prototype pipeline, we must now move on from experimentation to enterprise scale impact at a much faster pace in AI, cyber, quantum, autonomous systems, space, and advanced materials. Third is Anukulan, that is adaptation, reforming the ecosystem. As we align defense architecture with national Atmanirbharta goals, we look forward to concrete suggestions from this dialogue to accelerate the next phase. And the fourth, or the last one, is Ekikaran, that is military-civil fusion. The development of warfighting capabilities is a multi-agency, multimodal endeavor, wherein the troika of academia, industry, and the military must achieve deep cross-domain synergy. The military is shedding inhibitions, opening ranges, funding startups, and joining national technology missions, and stands ready to strengthen this troika of transformation even further. However, this troika must look at Vasudhaiv Kutumbakam, the word is one family, in a collaborative manner for ensuring